chainsaw with a 10-inch bar can cut down a tree. It's made to carve. Give it to a fat guy with a red curly beard. Watch him make noise. It's really kind of weird. Bear and the boss lady, they treat lumber bad. They cut and they cut till they think it's rad. A big red cardinal, a morel mushroom. Welcome bears and stuff. Highland cows too. Bear eats the animals out of the woods. Boss lady says that's nasty. She eats processed food. Bear's carving a penguin or maybe a boot. He's kind of a wacko. Thank God he doesn't have a flute. Eats the animals out of the woods. Boss lady says that's nasty. She eats processed food. Bear's carving a penguin or maybe a boot. He's kind of a wacko. Thank God he doesn't have a flute. Bear eats the animals. When Bear gets out of line, the boss lady has to race him. Bear and the boss lady. When Bear won't shut up, boss lady tases him. Do says crazy stuff. Did you see Bigfoot? Did you find his hair? Did you see his print in the snow over there? It was probably a gag perpetrated by Bear, 'cause he's got a screw loose and thinks y'all care. Bear, Bear, why don't you grow up? Everyone thinks you're kinda nut. Might need psychoanalyzed. Might need locked up. Bear, Bear, for the love of God, shut up. Did you see the moon landing? Did you watch the TV? When Mr. Glenn said a small step was a giant leap. It was probably a gag.
Oh snap, hold the phone!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We got this awesome marker airbrush kit from WINSONS. We're going to check this thing out. It came with this pack, 6 markers. I like that right off the bat. You can see the numbers on them. They're all individually numbered, so you can easily go and order the same pieces again. Anyway, let's open this box up and check it out. Let's see what we got. So, have not opened it yet. Okay, so here is the WINSON airbrush kit. Actually, airbrush, electric airbrush. It's a rechargeable piece. Has a cable inside. And so we'll set that to the side. Now, let's see what else is in the box. It's got some templates. Any different templates. And what we got here? Yeah, more templates you could paint to test it out. And we'll test some of these out, see how they go. Well, there's a bunch of them in there too. A bunch of different designs. Same with this here. Looks like got a lot of letters. You can paint the letters. And I wonder if you can get into detail without getting in another one. If you can, that would be fantastic. A fantastic use of this altogether. Hey, there's a deer. All right. This time of year, they must have wanted to go with holiday stuff. Because of pretty easy instructions. Shows the marker, how the marker goes in there. It's got to face one way in particular. Power button, power socket to plug in the charge, and that's from here. connect to USB power socket for charging. Anyway, insert the marker holder, insert the marker holder, insert the marker from the back, press the button to start spraying. Okay, simple as that. Right off the bat, this thing's got a really good feel to it. Really well built. Doesn't seem cheap, I can tell you that. Okay, here's what I thought was really interesting. Okay, if you want a broad stroke, you got one end marked for that. If you want a fine stroke, you got one end marked for that. Nice to know. Okay, so let's try this. We're going to do the fine and slide that in there just like that. Keep the piece up. And you can see how the air is going to hit the tip. Okay, and then what I noted on that was it's real important when you're done, you know you're done with it, pull it back out, put the thing back, cap back on there, and save it. So anyway, let's try this. I'm going to zoom in on a little template they gave me. We're going to use it on a piece of cardboard to see if we can make a crab. Let's see, yeah, let's make a crab. Okay, we'll get about there. And we'll see how fine it is. I don't have any idea how this is going to go, so let's find out together. See how it looks? Yeah, looks like crab, you know? So one thing right off the bat, you see how the air hits it? It's coming up at an angle like that. And I wasn't ready for that. So just kind of figuring that out, seeing somebody else use it. All right, let's do we'll do the butterfly this time. And I just got to remember that. Okay. How about that? And it's the butterfly. That's kind of neat. And it's a pretty small template, you know. But you could definitely put a bunch of different shapes together with that. And to give you something to practice with. Okay. Okay, we're going to try the wide side now, the same marker. And I'm just going to do some circles and stuff, see if I... That was a really cool, nice airbrushing quality to it. And one thing I learned, though, you have to have that tip with these. You have to have the broad wide end just like that. You can't turn it on its sides or it'll get under your, where the air is coming out and jam it up. So you got to make sure your marker looks like that when you put it in, when you're doing the wide. But that's it. Pretty neat. Works pretty good.
All right, folks, here's the end result. Hope you like this pointy-headed perching bird. And if you're interested in the WINSON marker set, check out the link listed in the description. Come back when you can stay later, you smuck.